Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have a little unboxing from a company called Mongant. So Mongant are a company who specialise in exfoliation products, but they are natural exfoliation products. So, you know, like mitts and things like that, which, you know, some exfoliation products that you use like on the face and body can contain the little beads and things. They can be quite harmful to the environment. I know they are trying to phase those out now, which is a good thing. But yeah, these obviously don't contain anything like that because it is essentially just like a mitt. So I love a good exfoliation. I actually do it every day. I normally use the mitts that, you know, the gloves that you get from Primark and places like that. But yeah, these ones look pretty good, so I thought I'd try these. A lot of people don't actually realise how important exfoliating your skin is. A lot of people think, oh, I've got dry skin. I've got some here, but that's for another reason. I did an acid peel and left it on too long. So it's kind of, yeah, stripped my skin a little bit too much, should we say. So lesson learned. But yeah, a lot of people think, oh, my skin's dry now. I need to just keep layering moisturiser over the top. That's not going to work. You need to exfoliate first, get rid of the dead skin cells, and then obviously apply your moisturiser so it's going to soak in better. Otherwise, you're just going to get this build up of excess skin and it's just going to keep getting worse. So yeah, I like to exfoliate every day. My body anyway, my face, I try to do that twice a week as well. So I picked up 3 items. They've got an offer on at the moment, which is Easter sale, buy one get one free. I don't know if there's a code. This is on the website. I don't know if there's a code or something. But yeah, anyway. So the first item I picked up was the glove. So this is the glove mitt, whatever you want to call it, which comes in this packaging here. So it's a really nice little bag as well. It's kind of like got this seal just at the top. So we've got 2 mitts in here. They've got the Mongant logo around the wrist bit. And then we pop that on there. Really nice, actually. Good space for your hand. You know, if you've got bigger hands, that'd be fine. Yeah. So I picked up a purple one and a pink one as well. We've got little loops as well, which is great, you know, if you want to hook them up in the bathroom. And then, yeah, we've got this kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like a rough sort of material, but even just doing that on the back of my hand, I can feel it's like really going to be quite nice, actually. Not too rough, if you know what I mean. Hang on a minute. If I just do that on the back of my hand, obviously I've got no water or soap or anything here, but I don't know if you can see, this is the hand that I just rubbed it on, but it actually has mattified it quite a lot. That's quite impressive. Okay, right. So these mitts were 2 for £19.99, so 2 for 20 quid basically, which isn't bad, I don't think, if they're going to be, you know, really good. I go for a lot of the Primark ones, and I know they're only like 2 or 3 quid each, but yeah, I probably replace them once a month. So if these last longer, then, you know, it could be more, you know, financially viable, really. So yeah, 2 of those. Also grabbed one of the, I think this is the face mitt. So one of these, yeah, this is the mini face scrubber. So this one was £14.99. This is so cute. So you can pop this in, obviously, on that part of your hand and use this to, you can remove your cleanser or your face mask or just, you know, whatever really. But yeah, we've got the little Mongant tag on there, and again, a little loop here. They feel really sustainable. They feel really nicely made, and yeah, I just really like the feel of them. This one feels a bit more like cotton, but it's very soft, very, very soft. Cute colour as well. I like this baby pink. So yeah, and as I say, it fits on my hand quite nicely. So obviously I've got makeup on, I'm not going to put it on my face, but that'd be quite nice for, you know, removing your makeup at the end of the day and things like that. I can't see that being too rough on your skin. Yeah, really nice. And then lastly, I picked up the scalp scrubber. This feels really heavy actually. So this one was $14.99 as well. This is nice, really nice. I do already have one, my Coco and Eve one, which is plastic, but this one's like a silicone-y rubber feel, and it slots into your fingers perfectly in there, and it's flexible as well. The other one is, I like it, but it's quite hard because it's plastic. It's quite hard on the scalp. Whereas this one, look, if I show you it, because it's more flexible, it's going to really sort of contour around your scalp and it's not going to irritate or anything. Oh, I like that. It's a nice colour as well. I love this blush pink. Yeah, really, really nice. Be nice and massaging as well. Oh, I'm going to try that later. But yeah, and it's curved as well. So obviously it's going to hug in the right places. That's lovely, really nice. And as I say, it feels amazing quality because it's quite weighty as well. Yeah, I'll try those out later, and maybe sort of, you know, in the very near future in a video, I'll just pop in and say, you know, what I think of them. But I think they look really nice, really nice. So as always, I'll leave the links in the description box below for you if you want to check them out for yourself. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.